training day tends to be one of the pinnacle moments in the project's timeline. Currently, the magnets on the back of a dangerous goods truck out on Moore Street. We'll be setting up the crane to lift off the magnet off the back of the truck, and then lift off. The magnet's going to be going through this roof hatch up here. Once that's popped open, the magnet will come through down into position, and then we'll begin the works to close up the remainder of the RF cabin.
Hi, I'm Kim Mulcahy. I'm the Senior Project Manager from the Community Safety Building Authority in the Program Delivery Division, and we're delivering the VIFM Capital Works project. So today's delivery and installation of the MRI is a critical milestone for the project, and it's one of the last pieces of the puzzle to get us to practical completion, which we're about 3 weeks out from at the moment. So very excited to have this installed and be a part of this today and finally see the equipment.
My name is Judith Ross. I represent the stakeholder interests here at the Victorian Institute of Forensic Medicine. This is a key project and a wonderful day. The installation of the MRI in the new MRI facility. This has been 4 years in the making. So it's a real pleasure to see all these people here, colleagues from the department, from the builder, from the institute here to witness what's happening today.
Hi, I'm Chris O'Donnell. I'm the radiologist here at VIFM, and we're here today for the installation of the magnet into the mortuary at VIFM. Wow, it's wrapped in pink, so it's a girl. We've got a female MRI scanner. This is a very exciting day. It started about 4 years ago when the government provided money to put in this new MRI scanner. It's a lot of hard work by a lot of people, but it's finally come to fruition today when the magnet will be installed. I'm very excited because I think it will really contribute to the work here we do at VIFM.
Hi, I'm Miranda. I'm also looking forward to seeing what this technology can do in our service. It's quite unique in Australia and possibly the world.
I'm the CT radiographer at VIFM. I'll be training in MRI with Miranda, making the pictures pretty for Chris. So it's an exciting time. Looking forward to it.